A couple of days after the rain, the fishing picked up in the mouth of the rivers. Come on, baby.
I hear you, buddy.
Is he grunting at you? Hey, I got a good jack here.
They fight good.
They fight good.
We hit something they like back there. That's a nice one there.
Is it a jack?
Yeah, it's a nice big jack.
Have you seen him?
Nice big jack. There we go. Kind of just barely hooked on the side, but I tell you what I'm going to do is I'm just going to flop him in here when he comes up like that. There we go.
Oh yeah, fine jack.
All right. Well, not too bad a fish.
Yep, that's a
We
good
got something
fish.
good here.
Yeah, look at him spool.
Uh-huh.
All right, I'm putting some line on him. There he is.
Big jack.
Big one.
Big jack. Okay. Back over here. All right. Let's see.
You got him? I'll give you some line.
Okay.
Look at that hoss.
Way to go, man. That's a nice
nothing
big
but
one.
a hoss right there.
That's all muscle right there.
Yeah.
Telling you what, those things turn sideways on you and go.
Well, now we know why he was stripping off line.
Exactly. A lot of fish there. Look how thick those things are.
Ooh.
And the other thing is, look at him, how beat up he is on top of his head.
Yeah.
See, that's something else been after him. Bull shark.
No telling.
Yeah, big
Hear him
bulls.
grunting?
Big barracuda, something was after him, and you know that wasn't a puppy.
And he got away.
Yeah.
But not today.
Not today.